Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 of the COVID-19 lockdown, and thanks again for joining us and joining me and everybody else who's come along to Figment Creative Expression's Facebook page today for a bit of Wellspring 6-minute writing. Don't know how you're all doing today. Let me know. Yesterday was a bit of a low point for a lot of people from what I saw on Facebook last night, and I'm laughing at people who are saying, hello, they've turned up today on time for the first time, so congratulations. Um, Yesterday was a bit of a low day, I think, for people last night, especially from what I saw on Facebook. So we are, over this whole process, I think, going to have highs and lows. Last night I was feeling a bit low as well, but I was very much looking forward to coming here and talking to you guys. And I think on those low days, it's really important to gather your energy and rest for the next day when you might have a bit more energy. Something that tides me over is knowing that I'm going to be speaking to you guys, and the enthusiasm and the comments that I've received on these Daft Bee videos have been really heartening. So thank you very much for all your kind and generous feedback and for your constructive feedback as well. It all helps. Knowing that I'm helping people just for 10-15 minutes each morning very much helps me. So thank you again for coming along. Today, I think is going to be a really good day. I've got lots of ideas already for next week. You might even get to see what lurks behind these curtains next week as well. So bear in mind that I think today is going to be a very positive, very active day. I have brought as a prompt this morning story cubes. A lot of you who've come to the workshops before will have seen or heard about story cubes before. I usually use the orange box, but I have the blue box to share with you this morning. This is nouns, and these are the verbs. So I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. Can have a round of. So these are the story cubes. I love story cubes. I've been using them with workshops and with kids and with teenagers for close on 10 years now. They're very tactile. I haven't even opened this box before. It's still in its little plastic wrap. So here we go. They're basically dice or die, and you just roll them, and then you can choose all 9 to use in a story. I'm just going to choose 1 to use today for our 6-minute writing. A reminder that for your 6-minute writing, excuse me, if you've watched the first couple of episodes of the 6-minute Wellspring writing series, you'll know that it's just about keeping it going and keeping it flowing. Don't stop. Don't worry about your editor coming in. You can edit in the future. Don't edit just now. Just keep writing, even if the only thing you can think of writing is, I don't know how to write. Swearing, anything goes. Mistakes are all good, and just go where it takes you. Okay, so I'm now going to roll the dice. I'm going to roll the story cubes. I'm going to choose the first one that comes up. I have no idea what that is. I'll choose another one. Okay, so this one, yeah, I'll show you. I don't know if that's focusing very well or not, but it looks like, to me, looks like a little man balancing on a skateboard or doing a handstand, however you prefer to take it. Okay, could be surfing, totally up to you. Okay, so that's your story cube for today. So, hold on, where's my phone? I'm going to time the 6 minutes for us all. So I hope you've got your pen and notepad ready. 6 minutes with the little guy who looks like he's balancing on a skateboard or maybe surfing, pushing up against a wall, and or you can turn it on its side and it looks like he's pushing against a wall. That's the joy of the story cubes. You can interpret it whatever way you want. Okay? So 6 minutes, starting now. Okay, folks, that is your 6 minutes up. Thank you again for joining us today. There are a lot of resources. Sorry, if you want to keep going, pause now. And if you've stopped, then just want to let you know there are a lot of resources out there for writers. There's this that you can do at 8:30 every morning. And you can also, I've just seen NaNoWriMo. That's NaNoWriMo. They're going to be doing a bit of writing support as well. I love a bit of NaNoWriMo in November. And they've set that up for just now for writers as well. So I'd highly recommend that and the story cubes. Remember, the 6 minute writing is just a starting point. You can continue on, or you can use it as a seed to start something else. Polish it up before you send it out there. If you want to send it out there, the 6 minute writing, the Wellspring writing, is at this stage just for you. So, yeah, thanks again for joining us today, and let me know how it went for you. And come back and join us at 8:30 tomorrow morning. All the best, guys. Stay safe and stay well.